Hello everybody, good evening. Welcome to Nurse Noto channel. Today we will speak about mechanical ventilator. How mechanical ventilator work, what is the abbreviations or appear on the screen of mechanical ventilation, how we will wean the patient on mechanical ventilator. Okay, finally, what is the nursing intervention, what will we do with the patient on mechanical ventilator. At first we will speak about the abbreviations which appear in the screen of the mechanical ventilator machine. At first, RR. If we see RR, this means respiratory rate. Respiratory rate, this is the time of breathing or cycle of breathing per minute. Cycle breathing per minute. It will appear also like F frequency. Okay, the normal range from 16 to 20 cycle per minute. From 16 to 20. Okay. After that, VT. This is tidal volume. Tidal volume. This is the amount of air enter and exhaled and inhaled in the lung, enter and go out from the lung. VTI, this is the air inspired, and enter the lung. VTE, this is the air expired during the expiration. Okay, the normal range from this one is from 5 to 8 milli per kg. 5 to 8 milli per kg. After that, MV, this is minute volume. This is amount of air entered to the lung during 1 minute. We can count this one by VT. This is tidal volume, and RR, respiratory rate. Okay. After that, FiO2 fraction inspired O2. This is the concentration of O2 in mechanical ventilator. As we know, on air, oxygen on air is 21%. Okay, on mechanical ventilator we can put this one from 21 to 100%. From 21 to 100%. After that, beep, this is positive end expiratory pressure. This is the amount of air remaining or residual of air in the lung, which leads the lung be opened. Okay, the normal range from this one from 5 to 10. After that, IE ratio, this is inspiration to expiration ratio. This is the ratio between inspiration time and expiration time. At this one, we need to increase expiration time to let the patient to get useful or get good from the oxygen air and the gas exchange happen inside. So the expiration ratio is more than inspiration. If the patient take inspiration in 1 second, so he get expiration after 2 seconds. Okay, or if he take inspiration in 1 second, so he get expiration in 1.5 seconds. Okay. After that, flow rate. This is the speed of air it enters the lung. Speed of air entering the lung. This is normal range from 40 to 100 liters per minute. Okay. After that, BIB, this is peak inspiratory pressure. This is the pressure which push the air inside the lung. Pressure which was the air inside the lung. After that, TI, this is inspiratory time. This is the time taking for inspiration. Time for inspiration. Okay. This is TI. Now we finish this video today. If you found this one is good, please don't forget to subscribe and wait for another video about mechanical ventilator. Thank you.